Hey everybody. Okay, so I'm sure some of you are wondering why we're starting so early. Well, yeah, so my mechanic finally got back to me on my car, and I have to call him by like 8:45 tonight to be able to find out some stuff. So I'm starting early so that I don't miss too much because I've got to get that taken care of. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm sure some of you. What is the hell? Okay, there we go. If you hear that multiple times, sorry. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Blueprint, scripting, and stuff. Yeah, that's what we're going to go with. Okay. But anyways, we're going to dive right in. I have nothing in particular planned today. Let me go ahead and check my email to see if anyone has emailed us a request for information, and if not, then I'm going to just start kind of making it up as I go. Like always. And get this uploaded. Skip that. Hope you guys are all doing well. And where's this? Okay, so we do have a couple of questions here. Um, Code works that the size will change according to how fast you move your mouse from left to right. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Using the mouse coordinates when you first start the editor viewport game, if you don't click on a mouse button and move the left and right, essentially does scale up. However, when you click the mouse button and initiate mouse controls for the character, you lose the ability to scale the box. That's interesting. Okay, well we're going to work on a little bit of a mouse thing here. Which one was that one? That was Puzzle Project. Okay. So let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so for those of you who were not here last time, I've actually got a mouse set up right now where it will trace where the mouse is on the screen. What the hell? It'll trace where the mouse is on the screen, do a trace downwards to the platform here, and then place an object, in this case a wall sconce, where that is. Okay, that's that. So we are now going to make it even better. Open level blueprint, which I believe I did in here. Okay, so I'm going to use the event tick information, and I'm going to set it up exactly as he has it in this image. Okay. Get player controller. Get mouse position. Did someone just? No. Okay. Sorry. If the guy calls, I will be going to talk to him, and then I'll probably just pick back up where I left off. Because unfortunately, I have to get this car thing taken care of. Otherwise, I'm going to be very miserable for quite a while. Okay. Kinda confused as to the numbers here, but I'm sure it will make sense once I see it. Set morph target. Okay. Ooh, no, I'm not gonna be able to set this up tonight. Okay. So James, I will work on this one for Friday, hopefully, because this is dealing with skeletal meshes, and that is a whole different beast. But you want something where if you do like this, where you go back and forth on the screen, it increases the size. And you said if you click, it stops doing so. So yeah, I will work on that for Friday and see what I can come up with. The Yeah, that'll be what I do. Hopefully Friday if I can figure it out. Um, yep. Okay, viewer 500. Happy to have helped you. Oh, you already figured it out. Awesome, James. Awesome. I'm happy to hear that you got it taken care of. So we're gonna skip on this. Excellent. Okay. I'm going to close that out. So sorry for the delay, everyone. That was weird. Yeah, so we're not doing this. Let's see, what are we going to work on today? I don't see any other questions in the email. So let's pull up our third person test bed. I believe this is the one we were working on the D&D stuff in. Excuse me. And I do need to set a death state. If you print screen the numbers, it gives you the readout, so do you need the mesh? Very true. I didn't think of that. But they said that they figured out what it was, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Hit my spear. It's a good spear. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for now just because it seemed to be a very specific feature. Well, no, someone else could use it, I suppose. I'm sorry, I'm really frazzled today. It's only kind of. Oh, okay, cool, 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 cool. Yeah, let me see what I can do. Right, James, I'm sorry. I'm really frazzled today because of this whole car situation. So let me pull up the image here, and I'll try to recreate your second one as close as possible. Trying to get the yaw. Yeah, James, I'm really sorry. It's just been one of those days. It has been chaos. Okay, so we've got our event tick here. We're going to change this, and we are going to get candle holder. What the hell is candle holder? Okay, yeah. Let's see here. Wow, this gets very different. Okay, so get player controller. So we're going to get the player controller. We're going to get the mouse position. Get mouse position. Okay, so we want the mouse X and Y. Let's see what we did up here. This is convert mouse to world space, which we don't need to do because we just need to get whether it's going left and right. Okay, which means we don't really need the Y either. We just need this. We want to normalize. Range min, range max. And I want to print string. Thanks, I appreciate it. It's been a chaotic several weeks, and I've been without a car for a while. Hopefully the guy is going to let me know what's going on, basically, and how much it's going to cost me to fix it. Huh, that's weird. Okay, so right now it's supposed to be 20 normal. It's not normalizing to the range. That's weird. Okay, well, let me plug this and see what this is giving me. So max X range is 933. Max Y looks like it's going to be either 456 or 480. What the hell? Okay. Or, right. I feel dumb now. Let's get this out of the way. We're going to get the local X, local Y. Build string. No. Append these two together. Y. Okay. So first and foremost, we start way up at the top, which is, yeah. So it's supposed to be 0, 0-ish. It's kind of not, but whatever. As long as we can get a general idea. Okay. Now, let's see. That is not normalizing at all. Okay, let me see something here. That won't work. Okay. So we've got this. We need to okay. Transform. Make transform. We do not want location. We want to transform the scale. So if you're, wherever your character is facing, there should be a change in, let's say, 90 degrees either way you look at it. Forward needs to be 0, and then change over time. What normalize does is it takes a range of values and it sets it to a 0 or to a 0 min max whatever or 0 whatever max whatever range. So let's say you have a this is actually how materials work, where the RGB is supposed to be 0 to 255. So what you do is you normalize that from 0 to 255 to 0 to 1, and what it'll do is it, instead of going 0 to 255, it takes whatever that value is and puts it as a percentage of 1. It's basically creating a 100% scale, whereas 255 is max, and that's why I was messing up. I'm an idiot. Lies to range. I need to get screen space. Get screen space. Get screen size. Get screen size. Awesome. Okay, so hold on. Let me normalize to range. Yeah, so we want the range min to be 0. The range max to be 1088. That's what I was doing wrong. 0, 1088. Yeah. So right